Hi guys, this is LT Survival. Well, today's knife, another review, a very thin knife, easy to EDC, and it's a make we don't see very often. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, the company name, as you could read, is pretty complicated to say. RCharlance or HSM-005. Okay, it's one of those probably local to some shop. Not even it's a commercialization name, but it's not the maker's name. So we don't know really who made the knife, but the quality is not bad in China. As Jake said when he reviewed this knife, and that's one of the reasons why I bought it from him, Jake at Canadian Cutting Edge, is that China is starting to make some really nice quality knife. I think being the subcontractor of some American made, they finally got some of their act together. So sharpening is good. The craft is good. For the price, well, it's unbeatable. So this is the RCharlance HSM-005, which is a thin flipper harpoon shaped blade. So let's see a close up for this. Let's try to have a focus there. So the blade is satin, okay, and it has G10 on one side. Maybe if I close up this, it'll show up a little more, like this. Okay, so as you can see, the G10 is well contoured, even though it's quite thin. Okay, it has some texture that recall the some fiberglass, but it's the texture. Okay, and you've got proprietary, well, they're flathead screws, one on each side. Both of them have been turned because Jake disassembled this knife, so he put both of these on the same side, which makes it for a nicer look, even though they don't line up. Originally, when he received it, this one was the I'm getting wee. This one was the other side. So to show the clip side, the very deep carry clip, R-shaped glass pillar, and this knife has a liner inside, a very thin liner on the G10 side, even though the G10 could have taken it. Maybe you can see it, not sure. Yeah, you see the reflection of the liner, so it's embedded into the G10 itself. It's very thin, makes for the knife not that heavy, and I really like the knife. Since I bought it from Jake, I knew already that he liked this one very much. The steel is kind of strange. It's not one that we see often. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to focus. So it's a 9CR18 MOV. I have one of those apps on my phone that tell me what the steel is. It says 440B as an equivalent, and the 99CR18 MOV, they say it's a 440C equivalent. We're not sure. It seems nobody knows that steel, but it's a Chinese steel, one of those wonder steel. I mean, that's cheap and resilient. But the quality of the edge suggests that it is strong, well tempered. So I would say it's somewhere 440C and higher. So one of those copy steel that we'll start hearing maybe. and it's a very compact knife. Fits well in your hand. The handle is like 4-inch long. Flipper works absolutely well. The liner has plenty of wear. The liner, when my word don't come, the lock here, sorry, it's not coming, it's not a liner, it's a frame lock. Jesus Christ. So the frame lock goes in sufficiently to block that blade, but it has years of wear available. It's very light, it's not very much, not that deep, but into it. I'd like it a little deeper, but it works. It's a light duty knife. So I'm babbling again. Jeez. So I started to do like Jake. It's a Jake's knife, so I'm doing like Jake babbling. So it's a very functional knife, easy to carry because of the clip and the shape of the handle, which is a little thicker on the top and thinner on the bottom. Easy to put in your pocket, non-obstructive, a very nice knife. So very happy about buying this knife from Jake, because not Canada Post, but CBSA has been difficult with GearBest. Now we lost GearBest officially. Maybe the other Chinese supplier will have some knife. Unfortunately, they don't have a selection like GearBest did. Eventually, we'll see if we can bypass that somehow. So, my first harpoon shape blade, really nice. I wanted one of these in my collection, so that way I have another style of blade. That's it. Not much to say about a very small knife, very good EDC, quite rare, good steel, and I like it. I think I like every knife I own, so I'm like that. I like them all. So this is it. This is the end. A quick review. It cut well. I mean, Jake sharpened it, so if you sharpen it, it'll cut well. So, and the edge is pretty durable, so I'm really happy about it. So this is it. If you like this quick review of a knife, give it the thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next video.